Hi, my name's Martin. In this tutorial I shall walk you through an illustrated Hello World example of the Kafka adapter for Diffusion Cloud. Check this channel soon for a complete tutorial. The Kafka adapter for Diffusion Cloud was introduced in August of 2020 with the Diffusion 6.5. It can connect Kafka topics to Diffusion topics and vice versa, so that events from a Kafka topic update the value of an associated Diffusion topic, and that Diffusion topic value updates are delivered as events to its Kafka equivalent. In this tutorial, we explore both of these scenarios. Consuming data from Kafka can be like drinking from the fire hose. By integrating Diffusion with Kafka, we get both fine-grained data distribution and access control, and easy delivery to web applications and apps running outside the data center. To get the most from this, you will need a Diffusion Cloud service, and you can get one for free at diffusion.cloud, a Kafka cluster, and the Kafka command line tools. Let's start with Kafka to Diffusion first. Let's see the adapter in action. First, we're going to wire up the adapter to ingest topic data from the Kafka cluster and relay it to Diffusion Cloud. Let's start by logging into our Diffusion Cloud service. Then we're going to find our service in the list of services. We're going to use this one. Over here on the left, we find the Kafka adapter. The configuration is made of two pieces: ingest from Kafka and broadcast to Kafka. We're going to set the ingest configuration in the consumer group and broker location. Next, we set the diffusion configuration. We set the diffusion topic path prefix so that all events from Kafka are routed to topics in a branch called Kafka. Then we tie Kafka and diffusion together. In this example, our topic content is textual, so we set these both to string. Now we subscribe to the Kafka topic, my topic, and we leave everything else alone, and we're ready to go. The Kafka adapter is deploying. Now the status lights are green. Now the adapter is active. Let's see the results in the Topics tab of the console. Open the Topic Browser tab. Here's the new topic. The name of the diffusion topic reflects the original Kafka topic. Let's subscribe to the Kafka branch to see the new values arrive in real time. The adapter is up and running, so let's put some data through the system. Here's our shell, and we're going to use the Kafka command line tools. And there's new data available in the topic browser. Let's try that again. It is again, as broadcasting a Kafka event is visible also as a topic value change in Diffusion. This time we shall wire up a Diffusion topic to a Kafka topic, so that changes made to Diffusion are published as Kafka events to an intuitively named Kafka topic. Similar to before, the configuration is composed of the Kafka configuration, the Diffusion configuration, and the wiring between the topics. First, set the broker location to the same URL as before, and we set the diffusion principal and password as before. Next, we map a diffusion topic onto a Kafka topic. Let's get that started. The adapter is now active. Let's see it working. First, we listen to events published to the Kafka topic. Kafka Console Consumer is one of the built-in Kafka command line tools. We're going to create the topic that the adapter is looking for. To do this, we open the Diffusion console and go to the Topics browser. Click the plus button to create a new topic and give it a name. There's our new topic. Next, we shall set the value of that topic. Here in the terminal, we see the topic updates delivered as Kafka events. We do the same in French, and next in Italian. Each time we change the value of the diffusion topic, the Kafka adapter broadcasts a new event to the related Kafka topic. In a few minutes, we have round-tripped data from Kafka into Diffusion and back again. So, what next? Well, Kafka is a great choice for moving data internally, but for fine-grained distribution with topic-level access control, use Diffusion to share that data with a much larger audience outside the data center. In production, you will want to use a secure connection to your Kafka cluster. You can use regular expressions to specify the Kafka topics to mirror as diffusion topics, or you can map topics in bulk back to Kafka using diffusion topic selectors. You can download the configuration and run it on-premise. Don't forget to check out our tutorials which cover this and other scenarios at pushtechnology.com/tutorials. That's all for now. Happy coding!